Hello, dear students. Today we will continue the same chapter, that is chapter 1. In the previous class, we studied about point and line. Today, we are going to study about line segment and ray. So, students, let's first understand the concept of line segment. So, line segment is a part of line that has two endpoints. So, students, line segment is a part of line with two endpoints, and similarly it has fixed length. So please look at board. Line segment is a part of line with two endpoints. It has fixed length. So students, once again, line segment is a part of line. लाइन सेगमेन्ट भनेको लाइनको एउटा पार्ट हो, भाग हो, विथ टु एन्ड पोइन्ट्स, जसको दुईवटा एन्ड पोइन्ट रहेको हुन्छ. इट हैज फिक्स्ड लेन्थ, र लाइन सेगमेन्टको फिक्स्ड लेन्थ हुन्छ. फिक्स्ड लेन्थको अर्थ के हो? अ लाइन सेगमेन्ट क्यान नट बी एक्सटेन्डेड. हामीले लाइन सेगमेन्टलाई बढाउन सकिँदैन, यसको लेन्थ फिक्स हुन्छ. एक्जाम्पल, students, this is an example of line segment. You can see they have got it has got two endpoints, one endpoint, two endpoints, and similarly it has got fixed length. We cannot produce this line segment towards this side or towards this side because it has got fixed length. We can read it as line segment AB or line segment BA. Line segment AB, or you can write it as like this. This is the symbol of line segment. So students, I would like to give you one more example of line segment. Look at this. This is a marker. You can see marker has got two endpoint, one endpoint, two endpoint. We cannot extend this marker. हामीले यो मार्करलाई बढाउन सकिँदैन, यसको लेन्थ फिक्स छ. त्यसैले हामीले यसलाई लाइन सेगमेन्ट भन्न सकिन्छ. Similarly students, one more example of line segment. Look at here, I have drawn a table. As you all know, a table has got four legs. Legs of table is also considered as line segment. As we all know, line segment has got two end points and its length is fixed. So विद्यार्थीहरू, लेग्स अफ टेबलको लेग्स जुन हुन्छ त्यो पनि एउटा लाइन सेगमेन्टको इक्जाम्पल हो, किनभने यसको लेन्थ फिक्स हुन्छ, यसलाई हामीले बढाउन सकिँदैन. So students, now let's move towards next topic, that is ray. Students, a ray is also a part of line that has one end points and goes on forever in other direction. Ray is a part of line that has one end point and goes on forever in other direction. So students, look at once again. Look at once. Ray is a part of line. रे पनि एउटा लाइनको पार्ट हो, भाग हो, द्याट हेज वान एन्ड पोइन्ट, र यसमा मात्र एउटा एन्ड पोइन्ट रहेको हुन्छ, ओन्ली वान एन्ड पोइन्ट, एन्ड गोज अन फर एभर इन अदर डाइरेक्सन, र अर्कोतर्फ यो कन्टिन्युस रहेको हुन्छ. इट मिन्स गोज अन फर एभर इन अदर डिरेक्सन. इट मिन्स यसलाई हामीले एकतर्फ जति पनि लम्ब्याउन सकिन्छ. Example of ray is this. Let's name it. So students, this is example of ray. So how to read? This is ray A B. You cannot read it as ray B A. We have to read it as ray A B, because here A is your starting point. This ray has begun from the point A. Therefore, you have to read A first. Ray A B. This is your end point, and this is your this is the direction where you can extend it further. You can read it as ray AB and write it as ray AB. In another way, you can write it as like this. This is the symbol of ray, and simply you can recognize ray with the help of two things. One is it has got one end point and it has got one arrow. So students, I would like to give you one more example. This is an arrow. An arrow has also got one end point and another arrowhead. So therefore, arrow is also considered as ray. Similarly, this is also an example of ray. As you can see, this is a light from a flashlight. These are the rays. So light from a flashlight is also considered as example of ray. So students, I hope you have understood it very well. In the next class, we will study about we will do some exercise related to this chapter. So this much for today. Thank you.